Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best table cover is probably one of the most underrated household items, but trust me, it's a game changer. Whether you're looking to protect your dining table from spills, scratches, or just want to refresh your decor, a good table cover is a must-have. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of table covers, exploring different materials, sizes, and features to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Prestee White Rectangle Tablecloths, 24-pack. This plastic tablecloth offers reliable protection with an elegant touch. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor events, from fine dining to casual gatherings. These white plastic covers create a barrier against spills and stains. This makes cleanup a breeze, ideal for busy parties and events. Enjoy the convenience of a disposable tablecloth. Simply discard it after use, saving you time and effort after any celebration. This 24-pack of tablecloths fits tables up to 8 feet long. It's great for weddings, banquets, buffets, or even everyday use at home. Use these tablecloths for BBQs, picnics, or formal events. It will elevate any gathering with a clean, polished appearance. What we like? This table cover is both durable and stylish, perfect for any event. It provides waterproof protection, keeping your tables safe from spills and stains. If you are planning a wedding or a fine dining event, you should consider this, as it offers a clean, polished look with easy cleanup. What people say? The table cover is thick and durable. It is easy to clean. The clear design allows the beauty of the table to show through. Number 4. Smiry 6-pack Disposable Waterproof Rectangle Tablecloths. Looking for an affordable table cover option? This pack comes with 6 tablecloths, perfect for various events. It's ideal for dinner parties or outdoor picnics. These waterproof tablecloths are made from high-quality PVA materials. This ensures they are durable and the colors stay vibrant. The plastic table cover is waterproof, protecting your table from spills and stains. Cleaning is simple. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth. After use, you can easily dispose of it. Designed for convenience, this makes setup and cleanup incredibly easy. It's portable and lightweight, fitting easily into your bag for dining on the go. This rectangular tablecloth measures 108 by 54 inches. It's suitable for dining, weddings, parties, picnics, and both indoor and outdoor use. What we like? This product is a budget-friendly option, making it great for various needs. It is waterproof and easy to clean, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a practical and versatile solution for parties or picnics, you should consider this, as it combines affordability with convenience. What people say? Thick and durable. Easy to clean. Perfect for protecting the table. Number 3. Restaurantware Table Tech 60 by 36 Tabletop Protector. This 1.5 mm thick PVC table protector is built to last. It's waterproof, non-slip, and even heat-absorbent, making it a uniquely durable solution for protecting your tables. Keep your tables looking their best. This clear protector offers superior coverage, shielding your furniture from scratches, stains, and spills. It's the perfect way to safeguard your investment. Cleaning up is a breeze with this smooth, sleek cover. Simply wipe it down, and you're done. It allows you to maintain the elegance of your tables without the hassle. Perfect for any business setting. This PVC table cover is great for protecting dining tables and countertops in restaurants, banquet halls, and more. It helps cut down on cleanup time. Each order includes one heavy-duty, transparent table cover, measuring 60 inches by 36 inches. It's the ideal size for many business applications. What we like? This table cover offers exceptional durability and premium protection for your tables. It is designed for efficient cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. If you like a heavy-duty, clear protector for your restaurant or banquet hall, you should consider this, as it combines durability with easy maintenance. What people say? The table cover is thick and durable. It is easy to clean. The clear design allows the beauty of the table to show through. Number 2. Hoffmaster 114000 White Plastic Table Cover Roll. This plastic table cover from Hoffmaster adds style to any special event. It's designed to protect surfaces from spills and drops, ensuring your tables stay clean. Made from durable plastic, this table cover is built to last. It provides a reliable barrier against messes, making cleanup easy. The table cover is perfect for protecting tables from any unexpected spills or drops. It keeps your tables looking their best, no matter the occasion. With a generous roll, you can cut this table cover to fit any table length. This ensures a perfect fit for your specific needs. After the event, cleanup is a breeze. Simply wipe it down or dispose of it, saving you time and effort. What we like? This table cover adds style to any special event. It protects surfaces from spills and drops. If you like a simple and effective solution for protecting your tables, you should consider this, as it offers both style and practicality. What people say. The table cover is thick and durable. It is easy to clean. The table cover is waterproof. Number 1. Creative Converting Classic Red Plastic Table Cover. Introducing the Classic Red Table Cover from Creative Converting. This roll of plastic is perfect for any event, adding a touch of elegance with its vibrant color. It measures 40 inches wide and extends a generous 100 feet in length. This provides ample coverage for multiple tables or a large surface area. Made from light medium weight plastic, it's both wipe clean and waterproof. This makes it incredibly easy to maintain and reuse for future events. You can easily cut it to the size and length you need. Whether it's for a small table or a large banquet, it offers versatile use. Use it as a tablecloth or get creative and use it for ceiling decorations or window drapes. The possibilities are endless with this versatile product. What we like? This table cover comes in a classic red color, perfect for any event. It is made from wipe clean, waterproof plastic. If you are looking for a versatile and reusable table cover, you should consider this, as it allows you to coordinate your entire event with ease. What people say. The table cover is thick and durable. It is easy to clean. The clear design allows the beauty of the table to show through. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.